What you are about to see is 100% true. I know because I was there.
Okay, guys, get ready.
Hey, Poppy, what do you call a dead pelican?
I don't know. What do you call a dead pelican?
A pelicant.
Ha ha ha! Listen.
Told you, Carol, I'm not paying for that. I have been working my tail off. We are not wasting money on that stuff.
Boy, is he mad.
Dear Lord, please put something or someone in that man's life to clear his anger. Calm his anger the way you did with mine.
Poppy, did you used to be angry like that man?
Very angry.
How come you aren't angry anymore?
This ice cream truck.
I don't understand.
It's really hard to be angry when everyone is happy to see you, young and old. This truck swept away my anger, and I was able to see things around me that I couldn't before. Things that were right in front of me. After the anger passed, I met a man. A special man. He wore a robe and sandals. What a day that was. I knew then I wasn't alone.
Hey! Hey, fat man with the white hat! I'm up here, dumbass! How much is an ice cream cone?
$1.50.
What? You crazy? I can get that at school for a quarter. I don't want nothing.
How about this? I have Hawaiian Pops for 50 cents.
I told you I don't want nothing. You stealing bastard.
Come over here for a second, please. I need you to do something for me. That young man at the top of the hill needs our help. Do you remember my prayer for that angry man in traffic? I want you to do that prayer for him. Can you do that for me?
Dear Lord, please put someone in that boy's life that can end his anger. How was that?
That was wonderful.
1 chocolate cone, please.
Hey, Marcus, you getting something? I ain't getting nothing. He's a cheat.
Well, hello. Nice to meet you.
I'll take a vanilla ice cream cone.
Well, looks like temptation got the best of you. No charge. I hope you enjoy it.
What?
It's free. I'll bet you can't beat that deal.
Why are you going to give me something for nothing?
I'm trying to show you that not everyone is out to get you.
It's okay. I want to pay for it anyway.
I can't take your broken
Are you
heart
sure?
and mend all the shattered parts.
Wait a minute, and I'll get you your change.
I can't help you find the
the change.
strength to stand, but I've got a friend
Well, I'll be.
who can.
That was amazing.
I can't calm the raging seas and walk the waves of Galilee. I can't reach out with a saving hand, but I've got a friend.
Why do seagulls fly over the sea?
His is love,
I don't know.
his hope.
Because if they flew over the bay, they would be called bagels.
That you're feeling inside. When the night breaks you down, he is healing. I can't offer you a perfect plan, but
I never saw Marcus again. I do think of him quite often, though. You see, that was the first time I was aware that I was used to answer someone's prayer.
No, I can't give you all the
Now I have no delusion about fixing that young man's situation or turning his life around.
wash away your sin. I accept
All I did was help clear away that young man's anger for a few moments. And maybe, just maybe, with a clear mind, he would be able to see my friend that was standing next to him all along. And that is good enough for me.
who can. He is love, he is hope, he is all that you're feeling inside. When the night breaks you down, he is healing. I can't offer you a perfect plan, but I've got a friend that can.